Hello, hello. What are today's messages? I shuffled the cards off camera to save a little bit of time. So let's see what we get. Living from the heart. Soften and open, number 40. Moonlight enchantment. Magic, number 25. Do you do any moon rituals? Maybe do a search on that. Number 19, I focus my thoughts on abundance and gratitude. Butterflies. Number 19, forget-me-nots. Spirit of the river, movement toward adventure, number 50. Protection, shield, preserve, conserve. Maybe play with some amethyst crystals. 41. You can do hard things. It's not as impossible as it may feel. And dragonflies. Apprentice of Pentacles, number 74. What are you growing? The way I see it, if you want the rainbow, you gotta put up with the rain. Dolly Parton. All right, which item has our quotes today? I'm thinking this one today. Your thoughts shape your reality and perception, which can either leave you feeling complete or lacking. Are you focusing on what you don't have instead of what you do have? It's time to stop and feel the fullness of life. Feel gratitude and be in the abundance that you are. Shireen Oberg. Have you been procrastinating or working away on mastering your craft? Continue to tend to your garden and learn new ways to tend to your seeds or sow new seeds. Be open to new perspectives and spend time in nature. Amanda Aisling. Living from the heart is about trust and being able to see the highest potential. Continue to remove your ego, pride, and foolishness so you can receive help and guidance. Is your heart open or closed? Be more vulnerable, stay humble and non-judgmental, and hold compassion. Amanda Ellis. What do you label as hard or too time-consuming? Take time to think upon your beliefs. Are there any holding you back? Are you putting yourself in a box? What are the cannots or shoulds in your life? It's time to examine your conscious and subconscious programming around worry, anxiety, fear. Affirm, I embrace and trust life, knowing that I'm always safe. It's time to say yes to the next leg of your journey. Step back from what isn't working in your life and trust the flow. Be fearless and let go. All will be well. And the last one today. There is magic all around you, and the key to opening the doors to this magic is to trust. Trust what you feel. You are safe. Take time to listen, even if you can't see. Have faith. All right. Thanks for stopping by. Adios, amigos.